to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, this is unplanned na lakad namin. Andito kami ngayon sa village ng aking bagong kaibigan. She is the friend of my friend Mary Jane. At I'm so grateful guys na nakakilala ulit ako ng bagong kaibigan. Dahil sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, every rest day ko is wala talaga akong kasama. But this time guys, I'm so grateful na nakakilala ako ng isang alam kong mabuting kaibigan. Andito kami, dinala kami sa kanilang bahay na super humble house. And I feel like I'm dreaming again sa aking goal. Ito lang talaga yung buhay na gusto ko. Kaya naman sobra akong na-impress. Sobra akong parang mas lalo kong ginaganahan sa pagtrabaho dahil nga ito talaga yung gustong gusto ko eh. At parang nakikita ko na ito lang yung simpleng buhay na gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko. At sobra akong na-impress sa bahay nila. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng konting pasilip sa kanilang bahay. Since approved naman siya na maipakita ko ang kanilang village. At first time ko guys na nakapunta dito sa mga village sa Eskishehir. At sobrang lamig guys. Tignan nyo naman ang suot ko. At kung naririnig nyo ang hangin na ayan. Sobrang iba guys ang hangin. Bukod sa winter, sobrang yung hangin kasi open air nga siya. Kaya maririnig nyo talaga yung ihip or yung anong tawag doon? Hindi ko alam yung, hindi ko mahagilap sa isip ko kung ano yung tawag sa hangin na naririnig mo yung ganon na nakakatuwa guys. So, ito yung kanilang humble house na glass, parang glass house. Tita, is okay? If it is it okay I'm doing vlog inside your house? Or I'm invading so much. And this is my friend who introduced me, Tita, si Kay. So I'm so grateful talaga, Mare. Maraming salamat, Mare, dahil pinakilala mo sa akin si Tita. Ito yung kanilang humble house. So nice, guys, dahil ito yung dream ko na parang glass house lang siya. Ayan, nakapag umaga magkakape ka, makikita mo lang yung bukid, yung bundok. Ayan.
Yun ko yung light.
Hello, Tita. This is Tita Sikeye. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, Sikeye.
Sikeye. So, I'm so glad, Tita, that I met you and thankful ako.
I'm so glad to meet you.
Yeah. She's Turkish but she's so fluent in English. That's why I feel confident na hindi ako mabebenta. So, okay naman kay Tita na bibigyan ko kayo ng konting house tour niya. So, ito yung kanyang receiving room. And then, may maliit din naman siyang kitchen. Yan. Ang kanyang TV set. Yan. At ito talaga yung aking favorite na spot ng kanyang bahay. Look at that, guys. She has a very beautiful balcony and a beautiful girls out there. So Tita is not just very fluent in speaking English, but she also one of the bookworm. Look at that. Look at the cabinet that's full of books. At sinimula na nga namin guys bisitahin ang kanilang village. Kung mapapansin nyo, napakaganda ng kanilang paligid, napakatahimik. Although village siya guys, pero makikita nyo yung bahay na napakalaki at napaka-peaceful niya. Makikita nyo rin yung bundok na covered siya by snow. Kahit na hindi pa talaga masyadong nag-i-snow sa mga panahon na to. Pero makikita nyo yung bundok na talagang namumuti na sa snow. Ayan yung kanilang village. At mapapansin nyo rin guys yung mga street dogs. May mga street dogs na paggala-gala dito na napakalaki. Nakakatakot pero wag lang kayong tumakbo, hindi naman kayo hahabulin. At yung 3 aso na yan na makikita nyo habang naglalakad kami ay pinapakain nila tita. Kaya naman parang nagiging guard na siya sa kanilang bahay. So, ito talaga guys, yung dream ko talaga na magkaroon ng bahay sa gitna ng bukid. Dahil sobrang tahimik, sobrang presko, at yung bang kaya mong mag-isa. Dahil tahimik siya, masarap yung simoy ng hangin. At the same time, makakapagtanim-tanim ka. Ito talaga guys yung dream ko. Kaya nga nung nandito ako guys, para akong I'm living in my dreams, ika nga. At nakabalik na nga kami guys sa bahay nila tita at nakapaghanda na rin si tito ng makakain namin. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, nag-prepare si tito ng isda. Ito yung tinatawag na hamsi sa Turkey or sa Turkish. Isa to sa mga traditional na kinakain ng mga Turkish people. So ayan, combination of fish, salata, and bread. So, hindi mawawala guys sa Turkish people ang coffee right after meal. So, basically, ang gamit talaga nilang coffee is Turkish coffee. But, since hindi kami masyadong umiinom ng Turkish coffee, so we decided to tell tita na mas preferred namin ang Nescafe or yung 3-in-1 coffee. Kaya naman, pati sila is nag 3-in-1 coffee na rin. We just have chit chat because later I will go home, but Mary Jane will stay here. Oh, she's so lucky, right? She's so lucky that she can spend together with Tita, and I couldn't make it.
Also stay, but yes.
But of course, it's so nice if Mary Jane is here also. Maybe we can overnight chit chat. It's so hard, no?
Yes.
But sometimes it feels good also.
But you don't have to look for hotels or something like that. You can just go. You can come here. It can take you from somewhere.
If I just knew that. If I just knew that.
I'm considering you that time, not because of But I'm after we meet today, I will call si Kia, then I will meet her like that. My plan is like that. But I ask you first.
She's always considering my mood. Of course, tita, no? Sometimes we need to be selective also.
I asked her, can I bring my friend?
Getting ready na, guys. Kailangan na umuwi at overnight na sa labas. So, ayan, super lamig sa labas. Nagre-ready na nga po ako at ihahatid ako nila tita at ni kumare. Dahil dalawa kami pumunta dito. Ngayon, mag-isa na lang akong uuwi.
You're already.
Yeah, I'm saying goodbye. It's ready. Tita, thank you very much for
Come again
accepting me here.
Oh, it was a
To your
pleasure
humble
for me.
house. Yeah.
You're
And
always welcome.
yes, definitely I'm coming back.
I'm waiting forward to it.
Yes. Thank you, Tita, so much. Let's go, let's go. At ito na nga guys, hinatid ako nila tita hanggang sa labasan ng kanilang village dahil kailangan kong maabutan ang last trip ng bus na kung saan 8:10 dapat nasa labasan na ako. At masyado na naman kaming na-amaze guys sa aming nakita, sa aming harapan. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung mga ilaw na yan ang kabuuan ng city ng Eskişehir. So napakaganda guys pagmasdan ang buong or kabuuan ng Eskişehir. We had really so much fun tonight guys and I wish makabalik ulit ako sa village na to dahil talaga namang nag-enjoy ako. At sana nagustuhan nyo rin ang video kong ito. And that's all for today's video guys. I hope you like it. If you do guys, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe na rin po kayo sa aking YouTube channel. See you on my next vlog!